Racing. Racing just is started with Princess Nicole. Break quickly to start. Jebel Ali Zari outside. Watershed. Then next on Lenny Stopwise. Then followed by Life is a Bounty. Pax Britannica. While is Smoking Peanut is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch with Princess Nicole on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a length lead. And in second is Jebel Ali Watershed. Topwise comes next is Smoking Peanut, Pax Britannica, while Life is a Bounty now racing in less inside the 3 Octavo with Princess Nicole by about 2 lengths. Jebel Ali in second, and in third comes Watershed. Topwise Pax Britannica is down in fifth. Life is a Bounty while is Smoking Peanut now racing in less, and they are now entering the home stretch. Princess Nicole by about 4 lengths. Topwise in second. Pax Britannica. Watershed is on the outside. Last 100 meters. Princess Nicole followed by Topwise on the outside. But still Princess Nicole, and finally Princess Nicole. Topwise Pax Britannica. Then comes Watershed.
Ayan, karelista para dito sa ating race number 5. Unofficially din natin from gate to line number 3, Princess Nicole with ipinahirap na sa segundo 7 horse Topwise, number 1 Pax Britannica at number 5 Watershed. Let's go back to the replay of this race.